Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to visit NUX YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will talk about the global setting and some tweaking tips on the MG-30. So firstly, while you turn on the device, you can press the global button. Then you can enter to the global setting. So in the first block, we can enter to the pre-EQ. So let's check it out. So for the pre-EQ, you can adjust the trim of the input signal, and also you can tweak 3-band EQ to modify your sound. So it's mainly for the signal. But if you use something like single coil and feel the signal is a little bit weak, you can increase the input signal. Or if you use the humbucker and the signal is too strong, you can reduce the signal. So the phone knob is related to the parameter, as you can see. And here you can see the R. The R, it means recall to the default parameter setting. So if you are not sure the current parameter is exactly what you want, you can recall and to tweak it again. So that's how it works. We can enter to the output mode. So for the output mode, totally we have 5 output modes. So you can see we have Studio Direct and the combo front, stack front, combo rear, and the stack rear. So for the Studio Direct, it comes with the impulse response signal. And for the other 4 output mode, there is no impulse response signal, but we set up an accurate equalizer to fit the application while you connect with the amplifier. And same as what we mentioned, after you tweak the parameter, if you are not sure the parameter is what exactly you want, you can press knob 4 to recall the default setting. So let's go to the next one, the expression pedal setup. So firstly, you can see the expression pedal independent. So what does it mean? It means while you engage the expression pedal, that will be always engaged even you go to the next page. So for example, if I choose on, okay, while I engage the expression pedal, then I go to the next page. So the expression pedal is still on even I go other pages. So that's how it works. And if you choose off, then while I engage it, for example, right now I am in 1C and I engage it, while I go to the next one, that will keep the page status. How to do the calibration? You press the control and follow the instruction. So set up the minima, then set up the maxima. Then you can press to adjust how deep you want to engage. So for example, right now, that's what I set up. Okay. So the next one, let's go to the USB routing. So for the USB routing, as you can see, you can choose normal or dry out or reamp. And you can even adjust the USB routing parameter on the QuickTone edit software. So the next one, let's go to the display. So for the display, the first knob, you can choose large number or large name. So right now, the current status is large number. So as you can see on the display, right now the number is quite large. So if we choose large name, so let's see what's the difference. So right now, you can see the name become bigger. So you can choose which one do you like. Okay. And here you can also choose your own put up picture. So for example, while you turn on the device, you will see the put up picture, and you can load your own put up picture through the QuickTone edit software. And the third parameter is to adjust the brightness of the display. So let's go to the next one, parameter follow. So what does it mean? If you turn it on, then the device will detect your habits while you tweaking all the effects, and it will remember your habit. So I think it's quite useful for you to find your tone quickly. Then let's go to the factory default. So every time while you update the firmware, remember to go to the factory default and to do factory preset again. Here we also put the game on the MG-30. So while you do the rehearsal, while you feel boring, you could play it, and I won't introduce it. You can try it and enjoy it by yourself. And here is the device information, so you can check the current status of your CPU. So that's all the things about the global setting. So in the next tutorial, we will talk about some tweaking tips while you enter to edit mode. So see you next time.
NUX.